Hi, I'm Bam Aquino, and this is 8list Slam Book. Here we go! Slam Book time! Slam Book time! Eightlist.ph Slam Book. Okay, draw yourself. Siyempre, may salamin dapat. Malaki tenga. How's that? Looks like me? Okay, ako si Paolo Benigno Aquino IV. Bam! Yung brothers ko, favorite cartoons nila, yung Flintstones. Sa kanila, ano ba yan? Benigno Aquino something? No, so hindi. I'm named after a cartoon character. Tawag sa akin ng asawa ko pag galit siya. Pag hindi siya galit, babe. Pag galit siya, babe. First email, please don't email this, bambamaquino@yahoo.com. Age yung totoo, 46. No comment? No comment, guys? No comment? Gemini? No. Kung yes, bye. Ba't kayo galit sa mga Gemini? Ha? Buti nga lang, Taurus ako. Nung bata ako, cute ako. Yes. Walang tumututol? Walang tumututol? Okay, tumutol? Okay. Nung bata ako, gusto ko maging superhero. I grew up reading my brother's comics. Dream superpower. Ito yung pang slam book talaga eh, di ba? Maybe teleportation, like Nightcrawler. Well, matraffic. Kung may teleportation ka, you can do so many more things in one day. Marami kang magagawa. Gusto ko maging superhero, pero ngayon naging public servant. Pwede na rin. Okay na rin. Maybe nung bata ako, gusto ko maging superhero, gusto ko makatulong. Maybe that's the closest you can be. Unang luho, nung 9 years old ako, I was actually on TV. Okay, so yung first sweldo ko, nilibre ko yung pamilya ko sa isang fast food na sikat. Hindi ko na muna sasabihin kung ano. So, nalibre ko yung family ko. And then, dumiretso kami. Green Hills yun. Yung McDonald's sa Green Hills.
Hindi ko na muna sasabihin kung ano.
Pumunta kami sa Nova Fontana. I don't know kung maalala nyo yung toy store na yun. Bumili ako ng mga Marvel stuff. Current luho, I am a gamer by heart. So, ang current luho ko is my laptop. My Asus Zephyrus G14. It's relaxing for me. And I play, and my kids also like to play. Yung youngest ko is a Zelda fan. Yung eldest ko is a Minecraft fan. Ang bonding namin are playing together. Hangout spot as a teenager, Robinson's Galleria. End of class na, di ba? We would meet some of our friends there. So, favorite fast food chain that isn't around anymore? Tropical Hut pa ba? So, hindi Tropical Hut ang sagot ko kasi buhay na buhay pa. Sige, let me just put Choo Choo Junction. Di nyo alam yan, research nyo. So, may trend talaga siya sa Green Hills. Pero that's older than everybody in this room. First game you ever played, Karateka. May sumisipa-sipa lang na gano'n yun. It's very, very simple. First artist you admired, Pearl Jam, grunge. I belong to these fandoms. Marvel, Dallas Mavericks, Lord of the Rings, Tito Vic and Joey. I'm such a big fan of Eat Bulaga. All about love. So love is blind, love is a mystery, love is the answer. Pwede bang love is a battlefield? Kanta yun, guys. Research nyo. Love is a battlefield. Where you met your wife. National Youth Commission SEYAP program. So I was part of the National Youth Commission. I was the chairman and she was the NCR rep. Thank you, National Youth Commission. First impression, syempre. Sabi ko, ang ganda nito ah. I don't know kung ano impression niya sa akin. Sana, maayos. So she's also very talented, good leader. First date. So, yung kwento dyan, nag-volunteer siya the next year. Nag-date kami for 9 straight nights. Siguro naman by the 9th night na magkasama kami, alam na niya na may intention ako, di ba? The rest is history. Worst date, ito, seriously, wala. Pwede kayo mag-mall, maglakad-lakad lang, and it can still be a great date. So, I'm gonna put none. To meet someone, to like someone, hindi naman kailangan ng price tag nun, di ba? Sometimes, guys, kailangan ng leap of faith. Your modern love language. Mag-send ng pera sa GCash. No, pero yan ang love language ng asawa ko. Sending memes. That's me, man. I send so many cat memes to my wife every day. You're gonna find in her phone maraming pusa na nagmamahalan doon. Pasalubong, definitely. Pasalubong from trips. Hatid sundo, yes, definitely. Taking care of household chores. Yes, it is a love language. Especially yung magluto. Celebrities I admire. TVJ. Comparing Ding Dong, bands, River Maya, Eraserheads, Gary V. Parokya, syempre. How can I miss Parokya? International, honestly, wala masyado. Pero pwede ko bang ilagay Luka Doncic? I would like to think I'm the biggest Luka Doncic fan here in the Philippines. Oh, challenge yun. Favorite Pinoy love team? Ate V and Boyet, Dongyan and Don Bell. Go. Ang kalat pa yan, no? Food. Japanese food. Favorite food na kainin. Favorite food na lutuin, sinigang. Sinigang na baboy sa masarap na sinigang mix. Karaoke song, Total Eclipse of the Heart, You Give Love a Bad Name. So yung one of those dates namin ng asawa ko, di ba? We bonded over Bon Jovi. Kunyari, uy, duet tayo. Pero syempre, pinaplano ko na, di ba? Lost Stars, As It Was. Color, Blue. Movie, TV show, Quantum Leap. Okay, research. Hindi nyo alam yan. Lord of the Rings, oh my gosh. I'm a big Lord of the Rings fan. Animal, basta wag lang bird. Wala, ayoko ng bird. Ibon, ha? Sorry to all the bird people out there. Esports team, TNC. Fictional character, Sherlock Holmes. Section ng elementary, prep, masaya. Aircon temperature, ano ba tayo ngayon? Ako 20. Social media app, Reddit. Mas on the fandoms ako dun eh. So, not on the serious stuff, sorry.
How to fix.
Ay! Sobra, dude. Bigas, sinandoming. Magkano bang bigas ngayon? 58? Palaman sa tinapay, peanut butter. Peanut butter tayo? Laban, peanut butter? Allergic! Talaga? Kawawa ka naman pa. LRT, MRT station, Cubao. Mall, Green Hills. Law, ano mas pang ginawa ko na lang. Law, free college law. Akala ng mga tao di namin magawa. At least yung ambag ko na to, nandyan na yan.
What's your favorite anime?
Ninoy. The OG. So, nasa essay portion na po tayo ng long exam na to. Guys, why hate, di ba? Love lang. Joke. Ulam na iniiwasan ko sa handaan, ampalaya. Hindi ko maintindihan ng ampalaya. Ganyan yung lasa, tapos kinakain mo pa rin. Parang pinapahirapan mo sarili mo, di ba? Most regrettable hairstyle. Wala akong regrettable hairstyle, but I regret trying to grow a mustache and beard in the pandemic. So, ito yung masaklap. Yung passport picture ko, na good for 10 years, may weird na balbas. Worst habit, sobra akong kulit. If there's something that I want to happen, I will probably tell you 25,000 times. Unpopular opinion that might get me canceled, K-drama, wala pa akong series na natatapos.
Sorry.
Hatest expression, anak ng titing.
What did he say?
Hindi naman bastos yun ah. May anak ng teteng, may anak ng anak ng titing. Explain the following terms. Delulu, delusional. You're so delulu. Girl dinner. I'll be honest, hindi ko alam yung girl dinner. Oh, cancel na to. Cancel girl dinner. Hindi siya gender, neutral. Chos. Okay, IYK, if you know, you know. Riz. Parang flirting ba yung Riz? Charisma. Okay. Slay. Alam ko yung slay. Slays, you did well. I slayed it. Di ba? Ganyan. Other side of me. 3 things I want to do before I die. Let me just say one sentence na lang. Before I die, sana makita ko talaga yung Pilipinas na mas maunlad. 3 things I'll never do. I will never grow a beard again. Ipagyabang ang greatest achievement. Maybe the free college law. Dream project. I've always wanted to make a movie about the struggle of the Philippines in the 80s. Secret talent. Secret nga eh. Joke lang. Alam ko na. I'm an amateur magician. Something I wish I was good at, singing. Motto, do your best. And God will do the rest. Alright, last. Whew. How do you make sure you prioritize yourself and manage stress? You need your me time. Doing something na walang expectation sa'yo. What message would you give to young Filipinos about building a fulfilling life, whether or not it includes kids? The sooner that you can find what you want to do in your life, the sooner you can find your purpose, the faster you can find happiness. What's something you wish you knew before going into politics? Lahat ng mga reformang kailangan gawin ay pwede palang gawin. If you know how to work with other people, kung maganda yung research mo, maganda yung evidence-based policy making mo, genuinely, meron kang gustong makitang reforma, you can get it done. Which video game takes up most of your time? The Final Fantasy series has honestly taken up too much of my time. Okay, create a fictional P-pop group with your colleagues as members. Si Ma'am Lenny na yung main visual. Si Risa, magaling talaga kumanta. Okay, so manager, leader, pwede na yan. Si Chel na yung rapper. And then si Kiko, dancer. Bambini. Panpubliko. Parang pantropiko, pero pampubliko. Public servant. Pampubliko. Ganun pa yun, di ba? Pampubliko. Okay, ginagawa to ng mga anak ko actually. Yung mukha, pasado, right? Ito, nahanap ko yung font. Mukha siyang grizzly bear. The beach. Di ba? Ito yung lagi ko to ginagamit. Yung may kissy face, di ba? Thank you, 8 List. It was fun. Please follow and subscribe Bam Aquino, yung may blue checkmark on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, and bamaquino.ph on TikTok. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the 8 List YouTube channel. Ma-update po kayo sa lahat ng mga bagong stuff nila. Okay ba? Ayos ba?